Here we're looking at Great Panther Silver. We do see this continue to go lower as we were watching for any break of the 65 cent level. We saw that happen, and then it just makes sense to kind of let this go through its motion here and continue to go lower. And that's exactly what we saw, testing the low range here. And we see this holding at the 61% retracement. But again, this could go lower as it tries to continue to come and test this after. Just keep in mind, it's been running sideways for a little while, and then we see this break. So that's not great. But I do think that we're still seeing a little over, potentially oversold condition, as you could see it coming in here, but maybe it's not quite ready to turn just yet. I'm thinking, maybe a day or two, but I do think that that's part of buying the dip here, that it can come a little deeper. Hopefully we'll see this, because I do think it's a little out of proportion of where it was. So maybe we'll see this start to kind of come back a little bit, but I think we are okay overall in the entry. It could come down into the 60 cent level. That's possible here, and maybe even deeper, but for the time being, that's where I would be looking for support at 60 to 61 cent there. If it continues to break. But overall, I want to kind of keep this and to see if as it starts to try to recover a little bit and see how it does here. But still a little oversold, but that can continue to go a little lower. So I'm not going to try to allude that can't happen. So we'll just see how it starts to play out from here. But we're in on Great Panther.